You guys having a good day? Thought this, like normal things was going to be easy. No. Never is. Never learn. That's fine. Welcome back to the channel. Next to me, CJ2A. Yeah, we're doing more fun stuff with this. This one, we're going to be putting on new front springs because these are sacked out. It probably should go well. I mean, if you've been watching the other videos, I mean, it's been going swimmingly. So again, tech tip, I might scroll across the bottom. Not a professional CJ2A expert. After this one, I might be. But let me get this thing in the air and start getting tires off and bring you in here. Also, one of the sketchiest things I've had on the lift with beetles are easy to rack. This is already starting terrible. Bring in when I get this thing in the air and a wheel off. Already happy this thing hasn't been on the road, or what limited driving has been done by the owner or the new owner, because this is a Ryobi. And these lug nuts aren't really tight, nor are they the proper size for this wheel. So that's fine. But let me continue. Let me pop off the other side. If you don't know, I think the other side is reverse threaded. You go forward to go backwards. Pretty sure. If it's not, I lied. But I'm probably right. I was right, reverse thread, and it, two different size lug nuts on that side. So 7/8 and I don't know what I used. 13/16 and 3/4. So be on the lookout if you have that issue or thing. Anyway, let me get this thing off. Ooh, at least it comes off easy. Boop. Well, those look mint. Well, I think I said it. Or maybe not. All the brake lines, everything on this thing's new, so that's awesome. I don't have to get into here because I don't want to. We're not going to want to get these things off now, are we? We're going to need all the air. Yep. All right, let me get some tools and brain power to get these shackles that probably aren't going to cooperate off. It's going to go well. All right, guys. I think step one. What I'm thinking is we're going to try to get these guys loose for the spring perch or, whatever. The holder down, clampy things. I'm going to try to get them loose before I go completely violent and just cut them off. I do have new ones, but on the odd chance that they don't work, I can at least stab this thing back together. So let me get these things loose first. Also, not that it really matters. Does it matter? No, not that it really... Yeah, the axle's on top. Not that it really matters, but support this thing just in case, it wants to fall. But I'm just using my trans jack, just boop, in underneath it. Okay. Anyway, let me get some air and see if these cooperate. I'll probably torch them first. I'll have time lapse rolling for this part. And I'll cue in if we have any major issues. So far, I can't believe that these nuts are just, zipping off. I've had way worse luck with newer stuff. Maybe they've been off before, I don't know. But I mean, they all look like that. They're not the happiest looking. So I wasn't really giving them the old fair, shot. But all right, can I tap them out or up? Well, I'm actually semi-impressed with that. Oh, yeah. All right, those are at least loose. Now let me try to get, you know, the front and back off. That should be fun. I'm lucky I work on mainly metric stuff because I know where all my standard tools are because I never use them. That's going to need a hammer. Why are you bigger? I mean, you're fitting. Enough, sort of. Well, if you weren't the size you are now. Getting it off is going to be fun. All right. Oh, well, you don't even want to try to budge. That's good. All righty. Breaker bar and pipe. Try that. Let's hopefully we don't dump this thing off the lift. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like that at all. You are on there. Huh. That's good. The back ones look like they'll cooperate, so it's these front weird ones. Do I throw heat to it? We'll try putting heat on it. I'll get back to you. All right, with much fussing to do, I got this thing to start turning. A little heat, a little fire. So it's now moving and it's off. Oh, and you know, lube. So let me keep screwing this thing off. I'll leave that there for now. Let me try to get this back one. Hopefully it's not going to be, you can't even see what I'm talking about. Let me do this back one. Hopefully it's not going to be too much of a pain in the butt because there's actually a, you know, nut and bolt, not this weird shackle design. Hopefully it just airs off. That'd be ideal. It is getting cold in here. Okay, we're good here. All right, that one just zipped off. So now let me see if I can get this front one off with air because that'd be ideal. Woo, she hot. It even looks like there's anti-seize in here. Didn't work well. A little smoky. All right. Good. So that's that. Should be able to, do I have to take the shock off? It doesn't look like it wants to cooperate. What's next? Yeah, let's get these bolts off. Tap that rear one out. Boop. Just that easy. That's cool, grease port. I'll look through my Jeep ideas, but castellated nut. Not set up for a castle. Weird. Should be a jam nut on here, or at least a Tef nut. I don't know. Not a Jeep guy. But let me, I guess I could just take this off now. Well, get off there. Come off. All right. That's off. Sweet. The only thing holding it up is that shock right now. Come here, U-bolts. And this one. Big one, small one. I think I have those. Big one, small one. All right. Got that. Now let's just, pop this guy off. Look at that. See? Mechanic. One old sacked out spring out. All right, this thing was a pain in the butt, not gonna lie. Bushing apparently was in here that, well, should have been, shouldn't have been, I don't know what model. Anywho, it took me probably about 30 minutes to get this damn thing out, which is, fine. So let me go back to hopefully just putting this thing in easily. Yeah, wasn't expecting that much of a challenge, but it seems like it'll work now. Hopefully, get out of the way. Out of the way. Look, you fit there, fine. And put the bolt in. Put bolt in. Gentle taps. All right, that's in. Where's my U-bolts? This will rest this. That's fine there. Okay. Well, that's fine. Compress the shock. Oh yeah, she's nice and worn out. There, get this off. U-bolts. You can tell because, it's shaped like a U. Well, yeah, sure, I'll just put that somewhere. You guys go here. You go on there. You go on there. Wiggle, jiggle. All right. Axle has to move forward. It's just a tiny bit. Loosen that. Will that help? You have to go into your little hole. Why don't you want to go into your hole? What the heck? Why are you so far off? You shouldn't be. You should be exactly where you need to go. Anywho, why aren't you fitting now? You have to slide back some? Can I get you to slide back some? Can I get you to go forward? Pry bar? Pry bar will work. Let me ignore that pin for a second and continue doing this. We'll get the other one on. That's a bunch of new hardware in here. That's nice. Man. Anyone else getting sick lately? I mean, I got a head cold and it's just terrible. Bad thing is I got an ear infection, I think, going on, and well, I can hear myself now, and whew. I know I only have 6 people that watch me. Anyway, no. I did get, I picked you up, you're the right size. You will cooperate. Yes. Cooperate better, though. Let's wrap this thing up. put these springy things, plates, what have yous, on. Yes. Washer nut. Washer nut. Whoop, boop. This back one's gonna stink. Where are we now? Are we close? Are we on? Really? That way. We align now? What? I mean, you're pretty gosh dang close. All right, few fun, exciting things happened. Not really. Ended up having to use the original inboard side. Gonna have them order another U-bolt that it's not bent correctly. New out one, obviously. Springs on, forward locked in, that's on. So this side's wrapped up. I'm gonna jump over to the other side. Hopefully that one doesn't fight me as much, and then put it on the ground, see what this thing looks like. And also, I have a little treat that's going on this vehicle too. So stay tuned. Might run time lapse on that, might not, I don't know. But let me get the other side put together. Now they have a little bit better idea of the struggle bus that's going to, the pain in the ass this thing's gonna be. Lack of better terms. Anywho, let me do the other side. All right, let me give you guys a quick update on, the misery that's been my life with this thing. This side went together, well, the first time, really well. Like, shockingly, surprisingly, everything bolted together, everything went where it should. And, yeah, that bolt did not want to go through. So, you know, my life, take it apart and did it again. So right now, articulation. Right now, I'm putting it back together for the second time. And hopefully, this time's the good time. Ah, jeez. But I figure I've had the time lapse rolling pretty much this whole time. So I figure if you saw the thing come back out and was wondering if I looped the footage, no, I didn't. It didn't cooperate. So let me continue bolting everything back together that was already bolted together, and hopefully wrap this thing up, because I think I'm at the final push. And I'll show you a little treat special. That is a huge drain plug. Okay. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll have something rolling probably, but it's doing a process. Jeeps, why do you guys like them? All right, front end's put together, connected, if you will, so that's good. Leaves are in. I'm going to have him order new shackle things, because these a little iffy on the comfortability. And I'm, just being honest on that one. Other than that, springs are in. Little modification and, fun things, but that works. But let me get the treat special on this thing, and then we'll, set it on the ground and see how she actually looks. Hopefully it sits at least even and not that race car look. But stay tuned. I'll be right back. Guys, wheels are on. Let's get this thing on the ground and see what she looks like. Whew. And also, I'll reveal the treat special. And it's either going to work or it isn't, because I had no part in this decision. Nope, he's on the ground. Oh, that's stiff. That's cool. Anyway, treat special. Because the owner wanted them, obviously. He bought himself. Well, just go down. He bought himself some new wheels and tires. They are pretty big. I don't know if they turn. Do they rub? He said he did research. I don't know. Do they rub? They probably rub. No, they don't. They clear. But anyway, so he has some new wheels and tires on this thing. A couple things I'm going to need him to get, but let me. Man, that's steering. Anyway, let me get set up, and we'll do. Let me do a recap on this thing. All right, guys, quick little recap for you. Jeep front springs, they're on. That was successful. Little bit of a challenge here and there, but I mean, overcome and pull through, or whatever Confucius said. Anyway, a couple things we're gonna have the owner get. The holder ironers or shackle things. See if they make a different style. I don't like what's on there. Well, not even a different style. Get new shackle hardware for up front, because it's terrible. And maybe get another one of the bigger U-bolts to go around. The factory one's fine. They came off good. This is the reason I didn't cut them, just in case you had to reuse them. But that's all knocked out. Suspension's on. It does bounce, so that's good. Get the lift out from under there. We'll do a bounce test, because Jeep stuff. I mean, it's going to be a stiff ride. I'm not going to lie. So that's on. Shocks are on. I'm going to have to go back and just double check torque and stuff like that. Wheels. Oh, the other thing with the wheels, he has to get all new lug nuts. Those are, they're a multitude of sizes. So I'm sure they make new lug nuts. But with that, I think that'll wrap this portion up. Next one, my favorite. We got to wire this entire thing. So If you're having fun with this content, stay tuned. But anyway, wrapping up the suspension on this part. If you did like this episode, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. If you do, I promise you, we will chit chat. Thanks for watching and have a good one, guys.